tough for me to watch them in the backyard, late nights, a lot of hours during the day working on his shot, because, I mean, they broke it down to a point where he couldn't even shoot at all. He'll be back there at times crying, not wanting to work on his game. He had to do it rep after rep after rep to a point where he was able to master it.
Opportunity. See, this is what happens when paper meets pencil. When artist meets music, when man meets opportunity. Ha! See, some of y'all stop looking for opportunity because it stopped knocking. But I'm gonna tell you something, if opportunity doesn't come to your house, if you don't see it show up at your job, if it does not show up at your doorstep, go get it. I go get it. Yes, 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 I go get it. Right. I go get it. Yes, I go get it. Yes, see, every day is a new beginning. So stay away from what might have been and look for what can be in. See, you jump when it comes to conclusions, but you don't jump when opportunity invades your space. Like, take every chance, drop your fears. Like, opportunities is like a sunrise. If you wait too long, you might miss it. So let me tell you a story. Like, when my son was born, I jumped on it. Like, the opportunity to take care of him was priceless. Not everyone has a father in their life, and that's an opportunity I wasn't willing to pass up. Like, I knew the effect that it would have on him if I did not take the advantage of that opportunity. I needed him more than he needed me. And some of you have missed your opportunity that would have changed your life forever. But get this, it's never too late to fix a problem that doesn't exist. Like, nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. And what I mean by that is, if you're going to go back, you can't be interested in it, you gotta be committed. Because there's a difference between interest and commitment. When you're interested in doing something, you do it only when it's convenient. But when you're committed, you accept no excuses, only results. So what I'm trying to tell you, if you're going back to take advantage of the opportunity you missed, if you're trying to mend relationships, if you're trying to go back and do something different, if you're trying to take back your life, if you want opportunity to knock at your door once again, then you have to make a decision. What are you going to do once you reach it? Are you just interested, or are you committed? And once you find that answer, you gotta make that decision.